Hello everyone. I am privileged to share something on the cultural preservation of creation in Northeast region, especially focusing in Nagaland. Number 1, we practice jom cultivation. It is also known as shifting cultivation. Here all the villagers cultivate together in same area or location for about 2 years and shift to another location. A particular area get in turns to cultivate at a cycle of around 20 years. By doing this, that particular area is allowed to grow and provide habitations to other creations. Number 2, there used to be a particular day in a year called Earth Day. On this day, no one was allowed to work. A total complete rest, not only for humans but also for Earth. We were commanded not to stamp hard on the land. It is a kind of respect shown to the land for providing all our needs. Thirdly, hunting was a source of our livelihood. However, we were never allowed to shoot or kill any animal unless we could differentiate its gender. This was to avoid killing pregnant mothers, pregnant animals, and also mistakenly killing human beings. Apart from that, there were many animals which were considered taboo to eat as food. There were animals which only elders were allowed to eat, or only men could eat. So there were many restrictions even in food habits. That's how they preserve the animals. 4. Among the tribals, feasting and festivals were very rare, which means lifestyle was not so lavish and the wastage of food was restricted. Fifthly, we also find that every family and everyone grew their own food, which means there was no exploitation of natural resources for business or materialistic purposes. But today, people have started to grow food, different food, for business purposes as well. That's how the natural creation of God are being misused for humans' own benefit. Lastly, it is very interesting to note that a certain Naga tribe do not cultivate on hilltop. They preserve the forest on hilltop for reasons such as rainfall, fertility, and habitations for other animals. That's how they used to cultivate only in the lowland. Thus, it is fascinating to see that our cultural and traditional way of cultivation for our livelihood was so scientific that it preserved God's creations in many ways. Thank you.